Hi, I'm Dr. Laura LaPiana. I'm a clinical psychologist, and I first started working in the field of addiction about 20 years ago. I've been at several facilities inside and outside of Malibu, and I find that MBRC is really special, and I say that genuinely. They have certain features, besides the great staff and overall program, that I think really sets it apart from any other facility I've ever worked at or encountered. And a couple of those components, which I was asked to just speak briefly on, are the diet. So MBRC has our great low glycemic diet. And what I find is people come into treatment and they start to heal their bodies. They start to gain a sense of self-efficacy around self-care. And they start to feel kind of better more quickly than facilities that are offering less of a whole food diet, sugar and all those things. The number one transfer addiction is sugar, and that complicates issues of the brain healing, depression, mood, all those things. So MBRC offers that, and I think it's fantastic, and I see people get really well, and I also don't see people gaining 30 pounds in 30 days in treatment and then yelling at the staff about that happening. We also are able to pull off something that I think is fantastic that other facilities say they can't do. And we have this like 2-week blackout where people come in and they don't use the phone and they don't use the computer, and they really just, what I call, let the swelling go down. And they start to focus on themselves, they start to get quiet, and they do that work. And at the facility, we make sure that they have that parameter and that boundary to let that happen. And I've seen a lot of good work come from, that starting point. So